pakialam ninyo. Wala kayong labot. Wala kayong labot kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko dito, ha?
I'm going. Time to leave again. My other wife is waiting.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now I found me one. It's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? Yeah. I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out.
Good morning! Good morning, everything family! Hi, Hubs! Good morning, guys! So, ngayon, guys, kuha tayo ng treats. Bigyan natin yung konting. Look. Punta po tayo sa taas. I-check natin. Pinakain ko na yun kanina lang. Sobrang aga. Yung pusa ni Brenda. Mag-glasses nga tayo, guys. Kasi nag-start yung mata kong sumakit sa kaka-cellphone. So, okay. Glasses tayo. Kasi nakatulong talaga itong glasses na to. Where is Marky? 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 Where are you? Oh, Marky's here. Come here. No, look, he's happy to see me all the time. He is. Come on. I'll give you some treats. He's happy to see me. Look. Look, gustong-gusto niya yung treats. Pinakain na yan ng wheat food. Kinain niya lahat. So, ngayon. Right? Do you like it? Ayan. Maulan ngayon, guys. So, he's happy to hear. Every time, si Tommy hindi makapunta dito kasi takot siya kay Tommy. Kasi mag-start siyang mag-shake. You know, nanginginig siya sa takot. Ay, iwan ko. Sa mukha ata ni Tommy na ang daming buhok mukha. Masaya siya kapag pupunta ako dito. Kaya kagabi mga anong oras ako? 1 o'clock pumunta ako dito. Kausap ko din yung family ko. Nandito siya sa likuran ng beanbag. Nagtatago. Dito yung beanbag. Dito siya sa likuran. Look. And then doon sa bed area sa ilalim siya nagtatago din kapag ayaw niya dito, doon siya. Seriously?
It's 63 degrees.
Han, you cannot wait for winter?
I like it.
you like it like this?
Yes.
Yesterday you were like hopping and popping like a dog.
Yes, that's right. Now it's nice and cool outside.
So now he's getting his robe, guys.
I like your robe.
Oh my goodness. Yesterday he was crazy hot. Your robe is over there.
Yeah.
Your robe is over there.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking for the right one.
The one your favorite, that one.
No, this is the
Oh no, it's right here. Look,
Oh, there it is.
yeah. Guys, it's summer but it feels winter. Anyway, guys, ulan na ulan sa labas. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is magbihis. Yung sinuot ko kahapon na tinanggal ko. Kasi magluto tayo ng yung minarinate ko na chicken. Nagmarinate kasi ako kahapon para madala ni Mister. And hindi ko alam kung anong oras siya aalis. because it's raining and the other house is going to be floody. So I'm gonna use winter stuff to love, you know, the... Okay. Yeah, because later you will be sweating. You like this? You said, I like this and this. Perfect.
like it.
Perfect. But you are wearing some heavy thing. And then later...
But I like.
Can I get naked in the camera?
Seriously?
Love, come here. Give me a kiss.
Well, I just sit there and think I'm getting naked in the camera. How's that
So
like?
good morning. Good morning.
Morning, guys. She's a scotch. But you already know that because you watch her being a scotch.
Yes, tanungin ko lang si Tami kung anong plano niya, anong oras siya uuwi, aalis kasi tanungin natin para alam natin kung kaya. Kami, Roxy, kailan tayo magluluto. It's raining, guys. Oh. Rain. So, can you give me not exact time? What time are you leaving?
I don't know. This is a lot earlier than I expected. I didn't expect the rain to even start until like 4. Started at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, can you look at New Rochelle if it start raining? Hala, what is that up there? So,
A lot earlier than I thought it was.
is it early?
Yeah.
So, ngayon guys, mag-start akong mag-grill for me. Tanimoy. I-move ko lang ito. Ha? Yeah.
Quarter inch and a half. They don't have it in Thursday morning. That's what's happening to it.
In the news, it
Holy
wasn't...
shit. A lot Thursday morning.
Ha?
A lot Thursday morning.
So, it's gonna be bad flooding sa New Rochelle. Sobrang bad kasi parang mas maraming tubig daw doon. Yung ulan grabe doon. Anyway, so, i-start ko lang itong grill para makapag-luto na tayo para pag-aalis si Mr. ready na. So, yung chicken naman lang yung lulutuin ko. So, meron na akong niluto kahapon na cabbage. Hi guys, kailangan gawin para may makain si Mr. Diba, Mr.? Para may makain ikaw. Sobrang aga guys. Magtataka yung mga kapitbahay ba? Bakit ang aga nitong nag-grill namang bayhanang ito? Anong ganap sa buhay? Bakit kahapon nag-grill? Ngayon nag-grill? Pakialam ninyo, wala kayong labot. Wala kayong labot kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko dito, ha? Huwag kayong magyaw-yaw dyan. Tingin-tingin nyo. Bakit tingin-tingin kayo dyan?
Allah!
Ha? Ang kausap ko pala is squirrel. I'm talking to a squirrel, Han. It's nice, and the answer...
Back, let me know.
The answer back, honey.
I want to hear that. Show me your face.
They said, you're nuts, lady.
I want to see one face.
It's time to sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. And this is for your salad, okay? And for your, if you feel like munching chicken. Oy, the wind is starting, oy. So, ngayon guys is Wednesday ngayon. So, I guess aalis si Mr. ng maaga dahil ang ulan is maaga. Akala namin hapon. Nag-start ng 8 o'clock nag-ulan. 8 o'clock? I think 7 o'clock start raining here.
You said 7 o'clock?
Yeah, over here.
Morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, but it was very light.
Oh,
Now
it's
it's,
supposed to be. Look, it's heavy now.
yeah, it's heavy now. It was light before. Did you check your Rochelle camera, honey?
No, I don't take the camera. I take the level.
Oo. Lumalakas ang ulan. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 pag-ibig. Lagyan ko siya ng turmeric. Wala. So, pabayaan ko lang siya dyan. Ito yung dadalhin niyang pagkain. Di ba? Ang dami. Kasi, guys, masarap yan, guys. Mas healthy yan. Kasi ang manok, mas healthy siya sa ibang meat. Yun yung katotohanan. Maulan-ulan ang panahon. So, lutuin ko lang po ito. And, ilagay ko itong camera sa loob ng bahay. Ito yung napakaganda na may grill sa porch. Kasi makapag-grill ka. Look, ang lakas ng ulan. Oh my God, yung asawa ko nag-alala na. I'm sorry, hon. I'm sorry. I know. Nag-alala ito sa isang bahay eh. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, ito na yung ano. Ipasok ko to guys. Baka mga next day. Ipasok ko to. Ha? You have to drive careful when you're going. Yung chicken natin doon. We don't have window open, right? Huh? Yeah? Everything is open wide? Wide? Where is Roxy? She's hiding. You're hiding, baby.
Hey, no think so.
Ciao, Clown.
Naligo na si Tami guys. So ako na lang dito. Malapit na tong matapos. So yan. Malapit na. What are you doing, boy? Hi guys, pumasok po tayo guys kasi nilagay ko sa oven para maging maganda yung pagkaluto. Lutong-luto talaga siya, brown. So nilagay ko siya sa oven. Yun, ipakita ko sa inyo pag ilabas ko na siya kasi andun sa loob. So maganda siya kapag i-broil para talagang maging luto at also brown. And also, na ano sa labas, yung parang ang usok na. Nanimaho na akong usok. So ngayon, tapos na si Mr. Naligo. Doon pababa na siya. Huwag natin tignan kasi mahulog ng tuwalya guys. Makita yung itlog magbitay. Hi, love. You're done, love? What is that noises upstairs? You drop it? So, yun siya guys. So, kunin ko na to guys kasi para naman malaman na natin na ano na to. Tapos na ito talaga. Para hindi naman masubrang dry ito. Kasi ayaw ni Mr. talaga yung dry na dry. Ayaw ni Tami yung dry na chicken. Gusto niya yung wet. Gusto niya yung basa-basa. Sino namang hindi gustong basa? Huh? Gusto talaga yung basa. Kasi kapag dry, pangit guys, pangit. So, yun na siya guys. So, masarap na siya. Ginigrill ko siya. Binobroil ko sa oven lang para lang maganda yung chicken tignan, di ba? Maganda chicken tignan. So, yun yung pagkain ni Mr. dalhin doon sa isang bahay at trabaho. Meron siyang salad, meron siyang gulay. So, yun.
I'm going. Time to leave again. My other wife is waiting.
Aalis daw siya guys, pero yung isang asawa doon, he has another wife waiting.
Wait. Yeah. Oh, geez.
I love you.
I love you too.
Tell you-
Use your scotch.
Tell your wife don't make you tired, ha?
Yeah, okay.
Han! Honey, I'm really not happy now. Ay, dad, I'm not happy. Aguroy, kasakit. Meron daw siyang wife, guys. Oy!
Oi!
Honey, can you behave?
That's all I ever do.
What's her name? So, guys, Tommy is going to work tomorrow. And he's not supposedly to leave early. So, at least tapos na, guys. Yung chicken is here. Ready to, and also he has vegetables. Are you gonna bring this to, how do you call this? This tuna? Tuna?
Yes.
So you bring that vegetables because
Some of that food.
No, because I still have cabbage. Did you see the cabbage, Han? Next time, don't get cabbage that big.
Yeah,
Don't get that big.
Nice, strong, firm cabbage.
No. I like the cabbage, the Chinese cabbage with the curly cabbage, the round curly.
I'm gonna have some Chinese cabbage. Really?
Han, it's in the store.
I looked at they had that, and they had these ones in bags that were like this big, and they were a little brown. So I like this one. It was organic, and it's not in a little bag.
Organic, it says. Alam nyo, guys, paminsan lang yan si Tami mag-joke, mga ganon mag-joke. Pero kasi alam kasi niya, paminsan mag-joke yan siya, magagalit. Magagalit kasi ako, guys, kapag mag-joke yan ng ganon. Kasi alam niya na hindi funny. Lumakas yung ulan, guys. You're checking the email over there? Ang saya ng garden ko doon, guys. Alok. Pasa sila.
Saturday 25th, wedding.
Wedding? Sa libo na. Ay, may. Ito na. Paalis na si Mister. Ito na yung mga pagkain. At saka yung in-nervous ko na prutas lang. Ito yung request ni Tami. American cheese. Mahilig talaga si Tami atong cheese. What kind? Why you need this cheese anyway?
American cheese, so I'm buying cheese.
I mean, for what? For munching?
How many bags?
Okay, you have
You gotta put
to,
it in bags.
the whole thing?
Yeah, once you open it, then what do you do?
Big Ziploc bag.
No,
I'm kind of hungry now, love.
have some cheese.
And this is a bad thing, you know that? You like to saying diet, but you never do. How many Ziploc bag you need? Oh my god, you put only a little bit in one Ziploc?
I'm gonna put bigger amounts. Yeah, but it's too big, it won't fit in there, it sticks. That's the problem.
It's a wrong bag too. No, that one you can split it in two. It's not even open.
Okay.
It's folding.
Okay.
How many you
Over
bring?
these two,
Okay, give me that.
these three, put downstairs.
Downstairs. I'm not going back down.
Okay, go there.
Seriously, that's why we don't need a big house next time, huh?
No hands?
Everything is in there. Everything is in there. Next time, don't get a house for us, a big one. Get a small one, and there's no stairs, okay? Honey,
Right? You're too young to be like that.
no stairs for me.
I never considered that until recently when everything's pain.
Hey, your cigarette. So, umalis na si Tami. Lumakas yung ulan, dumilim din. Hindi klaro sa camera, pero dumilim. Tawagan ko na lang siya mamaya. I-check ko din yung pusa sa taas, guys, kung okay lang ba. Kanina pa to, guys, nakikinig sa akin. Kinausap ko lang siya. Sabi ko, yung grandpa niya na si Dudoy, my father ba, grandpa niya. Sabi ko, nasa hospital. Mama sad. Mama is so sad. Nakausap ko lang yung mga kapatid kong babae. Kasi yung mga lalaki is wala. Trabaho sila. So, kami lang tatlo. Kontak-kontak. So, ang ginawa ko kasi, guys, kahit andito ako sa US, kahit malayo tayo sa pamilya, so, ang ginawa ko is, ito yung ginawa namin. So, yung mama ko, hindi marunong gumamit ng cellphone, pero tinuruan nila. So, ang gagawin ko, kasi kung magtawag-tawag sa Pilipinas, di ba, mahal. So, kahit nag-anli-anli sila. So, ang ginawa ko, tawagan ko yung mama ko, tanungin ko, and then kung may kailangan siya, tawagan ko rin yung kapatid kong babae sa labas. So, ganyan yung ginawa ko. So, tinawag-tawagan ko sila, kapatid kong isang nasa bahay, sabi ko, magluto ka ng kanin, idalhin mo sa ospital para makauwi yung isa, mag-ano sila ba, relibo. So, yun guys. So, wala ako masyadong tulog kasi tinitignan ko yung phone ko, kung may mga message, paminsan, late na. So, yan yung ganap guys. So, palagi na lang ako tawag-tawag. Pero buti na lang, meron naman akong international call na malaki yung minutes. Mga 3,000 minutes ata a month. So, malaki. And then, hindi naman ako makipagdaldala ng matagal para magasto yung minuto ko. So, yun guys. So, I'm going to end the vlog. Salamat guys sa inyo guys ha. So, yun. Salamat ng marami. Yun. Anyway guys, bye guys. Thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow.